What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, share, post notifications. Today is December 7th, day 7 of Vlogmas. We are headed to church. I don't know what kind of footage I'm gonna get today, but we're gonna get some footage. Yeah, it's 8:45. Got to be there by 9. The last 2 days episode is already up. If you haven't watched it yet, go start at day 1, work your way to where we're at now. But that'll do it. It's cold outside. It's 40 degrees. Feels like Christmas, but it's time to go. Let me put my seatbelt on and we'll get to La Iglesia.
French word adventure without the D, and ultimately the Latin adventura, meaning what is about to happen. In other words, a venture is stepping into the unknown, trusting that what's about to happen is in God's hands. You know, venturing.
Now there were 4 leprous men at the entrance of the gate, and they said to one another, "Why are we sitting here until we die?"
All right.
Yes. Oh, did you?
Yeah.
I thought that was when Mitzi got her.
Oh, I thought it was.
You might have bought that one.
Yeah,
I think
we just recently.
Mitzi bought the one with the buttons, I think.
Yeah, we recently bought a leather dress for her.
Ah, are you ready for Sunday school? Or what is this, Little Lambs? Little Lambs? Yeah. Why is your face like that, bro? You got Riz? You the Rizzler?
This neighborhood and begin to tell people about Jesus and evangelize.
First, God knows you fully, intimately, and exhaustively. Recently, I've preached about his knowledge of you, and I haven't. I'm talking about he knows my name. God sees you. He calls you personally as he did Samuel by name.
So today,
got out of church.
oh, he's on
Sunday
it.
morning.
What else? What else?
We're about to go eat.
What's coming off?
Gonna have to shave the goatee
Yeah,
for old Sneaks.
for kabuki, not
Brand.
kabuki. What for a volcano?
The new one?
Yeah, volcano Korean barbecue. No, not the new one. Korean barbecue.
McDonald's.
So you gotta shave that off.
I'll let you wax it off.
Jordan, where are you going? Papa's? Of course. Here's my mom. Hook 'em. Miss Native America.
Whatever, Mr.
And here's my brother's youngest, Noah. Say hi, Noah. Say hi.
Hey, say chee-hoo.
Let's see. Say something, boy. Say something, boy. It's all sad. I'm just playing, buddy. I'm just playing. Chicka, chicka, chicka.
Don't listen to him. There, did you see him? He hooked him.
Hook 'em.
Hook him. Hook him. Hook him. Hook him.
Here's my wife. I like her outfit today. She's looking real country. She got the sparkly boots on. Okay. What's good, y'all? I am back home in the office. We got out of church. I went to go have lunch with my brother, his wife, and another girl from church there. She's going to be actually getting married pretty soon and headed over to the Res in New Mexico. So there's some news for the vlog there. I've known her since she was in our youth group a long time ago. When me and my wife were actually leading the youth group. So it's amazing to see people grow up, fall in love, get married, and just fulfill the will of God in their life. But aside from that, we got some Christmas songs to learn. So I have my Mac here. Let's see. I have my chords. So I have my iPad with the chords. I have my Mac that I'm going to be playing the music on to play along with. Then I'm going to be playing my hollow body. Not the yellow one, but the brown one over there. That's the one I'm going to be playing for the Christmas song. So we're going to be having a outreach concert here pretty soon. I think on Saturday. So I'm going to be doing that, playing that. So hopefully we learn this. This probably be the most Christmassy thing that we do on this vlog. So I'm going to try to learn some and put it in the vlog for you all to hear. No promises on how good it's going to sound, but I'm going to try my best to get it down right now. So let's practice some Christmas songs. We just got out of church, our evening service, and we got the Grinch over here. Say a line from the Grinch, son.
Santa here, the holiday cheermeister's here. Broski stink and stunk.
Oh, dang. You gonna take that? You got a line, Michael?
Rough.
No, say a line from the Grinch.
Oh, I know one. Max, go get my cloak.
He didn't say
I'll
that.
beat you with the, Max, go get my coat.
Cloak.
Cloak. Max, look, go get the stick. Go get the stick. I'm smarter.
Kai could be the Grinch.
When he's older.
Right now he could. He knows all the lines.
He's gonna give Danny a run for his money.
He's gonna give Danny a run for his money.
Yeah, I'm gonna steal Danny's man cave.
Look at this princess. She gets a whole dollhouse inside the living room. Did you fart?
No.
Yeah, you did. Was it you? What the heck, bro?
Don't fight.
That's gross.
Look at me, the holiday cheermeister's here.
Say a Cindy Lou Who line.
The Grinch.
Is that the only one you know?
I might do something drastic. The Grinch is so ugly like me. Cindy Lou Who said that.
She never said that.
Yeah, she did. She said, I'm ugly like the Grinch. I'm ugly. You're ugly. Everyone's ugly.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
I'm a hero. I know.
What?
Ugly.
There's not a right or wrong answer. It's up to you. What's your favorite Christmas movie?
I'm ugly. You're ugly.
Michael, shh.
The Grinch.
The Grinch is your favorite Christmas movie? Your son, your brother's trying to answer a question. You're over here interrupting. What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Home Post Malone. Home Alone.
Home Alone?
Oh yeah, have you seen Home Alone? Gremlins.
Gremlins is not a Christmas movie.
Yeah, it is.
If Gremlins is a Christmas movie, then Die Hard's a Christmas movie.
Christmas, the snow is falling down. Christmas.
Jordan.
Everybody knows Christmas.
Hey, shh. Jordan, what's your favorite Christmas movie?
The Grinch.
The Grinch? Maddie.
You're in big trouble, Missy. Yeah?
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Probably Elf.
Elf?
I love Elf.
I think Mom answered this question the other day. No, she didn't. Did she?
Yeah, a little while.
Oh, yeah, she did answer it.
It was National Lampoon.
Maddie, when did y'all finish
Where are you gonna put a tree that big?
Maddie, when did y'all finish?
All right, y'all. Well, that'll do it for the day. Not a lot of spontaneity today. Sundays, like I said, are very chill days. Usually, like I said, just practicing or hanging out, napping. Yeah, it's really about it. Not much to it. We had a great service this evening. We had a great service this morning. The preaching was on point. A lot of times you go to church and I know some people be like, oh, I can't feel, the word of God being spoken to me. But where I go to church, I feel like every service, my pastor is directly talking to me, I try to apply every single message to a situation that may be going on in my life somehow. And that's the way that you have to listen for God's voice, is to be open to hear from him. You know, a lot of times we are our own hindrances to listening to God. You know, we fill our ears and our minds with so much other stuff in the world, and all that other stuff drowns out the small whisper of God. And that's how God speaks to us. So if you're trying to hear God's voice, be patient, be still, and really try to hone in and listen for his voice, because I guarantee he's trying to talk to you. But other than that, if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn your post notification. Tomorrow, we will go through the little bit of decor we have. All right, until next time, God bless.